Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix WPS Office not open problem in Android and iOS, and I'll guide you step by step to solve it easily. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, take your phone and open the Settings app. You can usually find it on your home screen or inside the apps drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see the Apps or Applications section, and tap it to view the full list of installed apps on your device. Step 2. Now look for WPS Office in the list. If your list is long, use the search bar at the top and type WPS Office. Once you find it, tap on it to open the app's settings page, where you can manage all its options. Step 3. Inside the WPS Office settings, scroll down and tap on Storage. Here you'll notice two important options: Clear Cache and Clear Data. Tap Clear Cache first, as it removes temporary files that might be causing the app to freeze or fail to respond. Then, tap Clear Data. This deletes app data, including settings and saved preferences, so be ready to log in again later. After clearing both, try reopening WPS Office to check if the issue is fixed. Step 4. If WPS Office still won't open, go back to your home screen and open the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iOS. Use the search bar to find WPS Office again. If you see an update button, tap it to get the latest version, which often fixes bugs. If no update option is available, tap Uninstall and then install again for a fresh reinstall. Once installed, open WPS Office, log in, and check if everything works properly. This step often solves deeper issues caused by corrupted files or outdated versions. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.